Matt is back with us now. I am assuming that we'll not have a wind chill warning on May 11th when Cedar Park
Just thinking about that.
We'll be done by that point,
just
right?
watching footage of green leaves on trees, I just, it's so bizarre.
It looks like another planet in many ways.
It really does sometimes, and that's the beauty of the seasons here in Northeast Ohio, right?
Let's call it that. Yes. Let's go with beauty, especially next week.
Tongue in cheek, yeah. Next week's going to get pretty cold. We're going to take more of a look at that, at what we're seeing than the immediate forecast, because this is going to be easy peasy compared to where we're going next week as it continues to look. Wind chill advisory tonight. That's for the purple shaded areas, mainly south and west of Cleveland. That starts tonight at 4 a.m., goes through Friday midday, as that's when we're expecting those dangerously cold wind chills. You see the eye alert scrolling at the bottom of the screen as well. Nice and organized on WKYC.com for the latest on that. I've got a couple tweets that say school going to be canceled tomorrow. All up to your superintendent, all right? Mine didn't like to cancel back in the day due to cold. But next week, if you get canceled tomorrow, I'm telling you, next week, you might want to just plan a vacation as it looks right now. Overnight snow showers, that's what we're expecting. This is that cold air pushing in, creates that lift in the atmosphere. That cold air very dense, sticks to the ground, and then kind of pushes the air up over it. So that's why we've got the snow showers now. Some slick spots out there. Again, I don't think we're going to see any accumulations over an inch, maybe an inch and a half out in the snow belt by morning if we get some of these feeder bands to set up. But this is not going to be a big lake effect event or a snow shower event. It's going to be a cold air event, and that's what we have well off to the west. And you can see how those temps tumble. Will be in the 20s pretty much all night, and then we're back into the teens tomorrow morning as you're out the door. So your rush hour forecast looks like this. Much colder tomorrow morning, couple leftover snow showers, especially out towards the east. And then I do think we squeeze out some sunshine tomorrow, and that will continue on the evening hours. But temperatures, yeah, it's going to be kind of that deceiving sunshine as we're only going to make it up into the low teens at best. So let's take a look at temperatures and wind chill. The real number you need to look at is that blue number. That's what matters. As we go through time, you can see waking up, we have wind chills anywhere from about 5 to 10 below across the viewing area. This is 6 p.m., not much better. Air temps in the low teens, feeling more like 0 or below tomorrow afternoon, so not brutal, but it will be on the cold side compared to where we've been. And look at this, by Saturday morning we start to warm up. That's a sign that we have a little bit more moisture entering the area, and yeah, we may have some snow on Saturday on into Sunday as well as we bring that warmer air in. So snow showers kind of vacate the area. The one feature we'll have tomorrow is a pretty intense lake effect band. May click northern areas of Ashtabula County, from Conneaut over towards Ashtabula, Geneva, perhaps for a time tomorrow. I don't see big accumulation totals out of that. More so Erie and Buffalo, though. If you have travel plans, I-90, that's where it gets interesting. 7 to 14 plus inches expected up there as we'll have that southwest fetch. Otherwise, we're dealing with a quiet day everywhere else tomorrow outside of that cold. So let's talk bitter cold, shall we? Well, we've got a series of systems that will continue to pummel us out of the north and the west. Maybe a quick inch of snow on Saturday and Sunday, and accumulating snow possible as we go into Monday and Tuesday, though. And behind that, it gets frigid cold. I've been showing this to you for some time. We really unload that air mass on Northeast Ohio. In fact, some of these numbers, if we had to put numbers on it as we go into next week, look at this scheme here. We're talking wind chills as we get into next week, somewhere between 20, 30, even 50 below in the upper Midwest for us. Yeah, it's going to be cold as well. I think we won't get above 0 degrees as we go on Wednesday, Thursday. So Universal Windows Direct 7-day forecast. Let's just make it 10 because it does get better at the end. But after some very cold days, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, lows below 0 and highs below 0 as well. Russ.
And again, Thursday, that does say -12. Is that correct?
That is not a misprint right now.
Wow. All right, Matt. Thank you.